So welcome to Cube Math 1729 channel. So today we are going to discuss about the past papers of the 0580 mathematics from the 2025 specimen papers. Okay, so in this 2025 specimen papers we have two category you already know very well. The paper 2 is a non-calculator and then paper 4 will be a calculator paper. So that upcoming 25 onwards we have a couple of changes. Both paper 2 and paper 4 has equal weightage, will be the 100 marks. So let me discuss the paper 2, the non-calculator extended specimen paper, 100 mark papers and detailed solutions without using calculator, how to do all kind of problems. Let me see, okay. Okay, fine. The first one, look at this. The second page, they will be given list of formulas. So previously it has not been added. It will be helpful for you the upcoming examination from the 25 series. Okay. Now, the first question, look at here, the workout 0.01 the whole square. It is a basic things. Now, the square in generally, a square it means the product of the same number. A into a have to take. Likewise, but we have a decimal here, 0.01. So, how to has to be expressed. So, I'll be showing here, this is an allocated place, how to solve. So, 0.01 into 0.01. When you multiply the 1 into 1 only, but how many places of the decimal has to be taken, that alone you have to be consider. So 0.01 here, it will be twice of the time going to come here. So carefully you have to deal. So here 0.01 into 0.01. Okay, so while seeing how many decimal places are we have, 2 plus overall 4 decimal places we have. That's why, so we have the answer is 0.0001. So I have to write the answers directly from here, 0.0001. How you got answers? 1 into 1 is 1, but we have the two in the each multiplicand which we have 2 decimal places. So overall 4 dB. So 0.0001. Okay, hope it is fine. We'll move on with the next one. So write 57.3997 correct to 4 significant figure. Okay, it's a very important. So the significant figure in the sense it has to be taken the whole part also. So look at here, the 57. So each digit has to be considered for significant figures. For DP mean it's not considered, only the decimal place alone has to be considered. So significant figure in the sense has to be included the whole part. So 5, 7, 3, 9. The 4 digit has to be taken. The next digit must be a 5 and above mean I have to add 1 to the preceding digit. So look at here, I'll be enlarging and then highlighting you. So the next digit of this 9. Okay, this 9. 5 above, so that I have to add 1 to the preceding digit. So you will be getting as 57.39. If adding 1 to the preceding value, you will be getting 57.40. So 57.3997 correct to the 4 significant figure is 57.40. So it is very clear, easy to secure 1 mark. Okay, then next one, moving forward. So here, so AME changes 250 euros into dollars. The exchange rate is given as 1 euro will be equal to 1.10. Calculate the number of dollars in AME receives. Okay, so very simple. While seeing itself, we can easily identify the 1 euros will be given as 1.10, which means has to be multiply. 1 euro will be 1.10 dollars in the sense has to be for 250 euros. You have to be multiply with 1.10. So very simple data. So 250 into 1.10 will be getting as, look at here, 25 into 11 directly have to take. I told you the shortcut also for the multiply with 25 into 11. Keep the same digit 2 and 5 in the extreme places. Sum of the value will be 2 plus 5, 7. So 275 will be coming. So you'll be getting the answer is $275. Okay. So quite very easy. We have to work out in the last page. We have the blank pages there. There you can do that rough calculation. Need not be entered. All the rough column will be rough work will be in the question itself. No need to do. You have to do in the last page of the blank page. Fine. So moving forward with the next one, the fourth one. Look at the question. The diagram shows the two triangle ABD and ADC. Actually, it is not to the scale very clearly they are given. Okay, so BDC is a straight line. BDC is a straight line. So AB equal to AC they are given, and also the ABD equal to ABD, which in the sense here it is 61 degree, and angle ADC will be, this will be 81 degree. Work out angle DAC, where it is DAC, so this is the DAC, this angle we need. Look at the triangle here ABC. Look at the triangle ABC. I'll be using some other color for identifications, so of better understanding. This one ABC, it is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal, so this will be as 61 degree. Okay, you want this alone. So here we want to consider only this triangle ADC. You know very well, according to angle sum properties in the ADC, in triangle ADC, the angles such as A will be the missing value here. So we need to calculate A, angle A, but D will be the 81, but similarly the C will be 61, which is equal to 180 according to angle sum properties. So that angle A plus 142, which is equal to 180 degree, angle A equal to 180 minus 142, you will be getting as 38 degree. So that angle DAC you'll be getting as 38 degree. I hope you all understand. So let me move on with the next one, the unit conversions. Okay, the question number 5. Look at the question number 5. Convert 0.17 meter square into centimeter square. So for this kind of conversions, very easy process. The many of them getting confusions of changing the value. So very carefully you have to approach this one. Okay. So first you have to note down that very basic things will be 1 meter will be equal to 100 centimeter. So that you're all very know very well. Is it correct? So then moving forward with 1 meter square, which means that double the data, which will be as to be taken as the 1 meter square will be as 10,000 centimeter square you are getting. Okay, so then now you want to go with 0.17 meter square, mean which has to be multiplied 10,000 by the 0.17. So 0.17 meter square equal to 0.17 into 10,000. If you are multiplying, which means 2 digit will be jumping forward, so the 20 going to eliminate, which means 1700 you are going to get directly. So 1700 centimeter squares were right answers. I hope you understand. So moving forward with the next question, question number 6. The mass of a solid metal cuboid is 4 kg. The volume of the cuboid is 600 centimeter cube. So the units are will be, the volume will be in a centimeter, then mass will be in the kg. So keep it as that unit will be the same. So better I have to take it as the mass will be as a 4 kg in the sense here the mass of the solid metal 4 kg, which means 4000 gram. So the volume of the cuboid will be as 600 centimeter cube. So you know very well, to calculate the density is the mass by volume, even it was given in a question itself. So very simple. So D equal to the mass of the data will be the 4000 by the 600. 2020 eliminated is a non-calculator, so you have to manually try to do. So you can go with a very simple 20 times of 2 will be 40, 3 times of 2 6. So 20 by 3 always I told you all to write the result will be the mixed number. So 20 by 2 we can write as 62 by 3 gram per centimeter cube. No need to write in the answer is a decimal because it's a non-calculator and you can keep it as a mixed number. That is fine. 62 by 3. Okay, fine. So the moving on with the vector concept is question number 7. The u vector will be then a single column vector. They are given as a 3 minus 2 and v will be the minus 12 and 5. You need to be calculated subtraction of the vector. So u minus 2v. So u minus 2v. So you have to calculate. So very simple. So u vector has been given as 3 and minus 2. So minus 2 times of v. So directly I am doing, you have to multiply with the minus 2. Hope it is very clear. 2 we are multiplying will be is minus 24 as well as here 10. So subtracting you will be getting as, so subtracting in the sense I told you to change the sign, or else you have to make a plus here, you have to change the sign inside the bracket. So here it will be plus 24, here will be minus 10. Okay, so now here is 27 minus 12. Yeah, so you got the answer is u minus 2 will be equal to 27 and minus 12. So then magnitude of the vector v they are asking. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, the magnitude v, I told you the v vector will be as a root of 12 square minus 12 square as well as the 5 square. We'll be getting a root of 144 plus 25 will be as 169 such as 13. Okay, hope it is very simple. I hope you all understand. So moving forward with the next one, there are 7 questions has been completed. So jumping forward with the 8th one. Okay, look at the question number 8. It will be as the picture has been given, the geometry. So it is not to scale only. The diagram shows a semicircle with the diameter 9 centimeter. The calculate the total perimeter of this semicircle. Give your answer in exact form. So now you very simple. First you have to calculate the total perimeter. Total perimeter, so distance around the figure. So one will be a semicircle, and look at here the diameter also here. So the perimeter, the semicircle, so 2 pi r circumference of circle, but the semicircle is by 2 you can put. Then also will be the diameter. So here 2 cancel, pi r plus d, that is formula for that's this figure. So pi r plus d. So here it will be as a radius is very clearly you have to calculate. The diameter is 9, mean the radius is half of that. Diameter is radius of 4.5. So pi into 4.5 or 9 by 2 plus diameter is 9. So the perimeter we can directly keep the result will be 4.5 pi plus 9. That's how we have. Very simple, easily to secure 3 marks from this question. So moving forward, question number 9, the sequence, the T1 will be given 17 and T2 will be 12 and T3 will be 7 and T4 will be 2. Okay, we have to find the T5, the fifth series with the fifth term we have to calculate, and then nth term we have to calculate. Okay, the sequences will be given as 17, 12. So whether it is as AP or ZP, how can calculate? When it is a AP, to maintain the common difference will be equal. So look at that now, how to calculate the common difference. For example, I will check with the T1. T2 minus T1 will be 12 minus 17 will be a minus 5, and T3 minus T2 that also will be minus 5. It is maintain equal common difference so that it is arithmetic progressions. So quite very simple to calculate will be the fifth term. So for nth term of that AP is equal to Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So then T5 here it is equal to A plus 4D. A in the sense of first term 17 plus the difference will be the minus 5. So 4 times of minus 5 which is minus 20. So 17 minus 20 is minus 3 is our answer. So look at to the nth term will be, so formula you all know very well. So u1 plus n minus 1 into 2 or else a plus n minus 1 into d. So a 17 plus of n minus 1 into d. So here n minus 1 into minus 5 such as 17 minus 5n plus 5. 17 plus 5 is 22 minus 5n is our nth term of this sequence. So if it is clear, moving forward with 10th question. So work out 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. It's a very simple fractions additions. It is fractions are given in the formation of mixed number. How should we add the both given fractions? Okay, very simple. Make it as that given mixed number into the improper like in the vulgar fractions. So 2 by 3 has to be converted. You'll be getting as 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. So make the denominator will be equal to add the given fractions. So here that LCM of 3 and 2 will be a 6. So we can write as 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6. Add together we'll be getting as 37 by 6. So 37 by 6 is not possible to simplify. We can rewrite the answer in the formation of again will be as mixed number 6 1 by 6. So our answer is 6 1 by 6. Hope you all understand. Okay. Okay, so next one, the 11th one, find the value of 64 power 2 by 64 power 2 by 3. Okay, so very simple. So look at here that always the indices has been coming as 2 by 3. Okay, here 2 by 3 is coming is there. I mean try to possible to eliminate 3. So either base will be is possible of making as a 3 of the indices. Is it possible? 64 we can write as 4 power 3 of 2 by 3. 3 will be cancelled, so remaining the 4 square, that is 16. 16 is our answer. So I hope you understand. So moving forward, next one, work over the given your answer in standard form. So standard form is a very clear. See 7.1 into 10 power minus 15 into 2 into 10 power 3 they are given. Standard form, in the sense we have some structure, we have the standard form always will be coming as from 1 to 10 will be that the values into 10 power of the n values. So to keep that all the simplifications, so that here 7.1 into 10 power minus 15 into 2 into 10 power 3 will be there. So very simple to reassign. See 7.1 into 2, 7.1 into 2 if you are multiplying you'll be getting 14.2. 10 power minus 15 into 10 power 3 is 10 power minus 12. Then I told you it must be less than 10. So 1.42 into here less 10 power minus 11. So 1.42 into 10 power minus 11. Next one. So here it is very simple. So keep the indices will be same for addition. So 10 power 7 here, 10 power 6 is there. So I can change this very clearly here. 5.20 into 10 power 7. Here also I can do 0.52 into 10 power 7. When you add together you'll be getting 5.72 into 10 power 7. So this is what our answer. So I hope you understand very clearly. Okay. So moving forward, question number 13. So 1 3, find the number of sides of a regular polygon with interior angle 162 degree. Okay, the question number 13. So it is very simple. There are two ways to do. So okay, I can explain you the shortest form of this method. Easily we can do. You know very well the total angle for any polygon has to be calculated with the help of the n minus 2 into 180 degree. You can use it to calculate, but I am telling you the very clear idea pictures here. Finding the number of side, always you can go with number of side equal to 360 degree by 180 minus the given angle, which will be getting 360 by 18 will be equal to 20. So the number of sides will be 20. So this is the way how to find the answers. So hope it is very clear. Okay, then question number 14. Find the range, mode, median and mean of the 5 positive integers are all equal to 10. Find one possible set of these 5 integers. See, it is a possible set. We can get to the various output. Look at here. Because the average in the sense is a mean. So mean will be equal to 10. But we have 5 set of data is there, which mean the sense sum of observation by the number of observations. So we'll be getting 5 data by 5, which is equal to 10 mean. Total number of observations will be 50. So when you add up all that observations, will be getting as 50. So from the scenario we'll understand totally we want to get 50, and also they are telling us a mode. The mode is called the most often occurring frequencies. So we have to take will be the common value. It is everything are equal to 10. So the 10 is the mode clearly. Median, which is in the sense the middle most observation. that also they are telling is here 10. So middle most observation, there are 5 data is there, definitely the median is, the middle data will be, so this one. So third data, so definitely third data will be a 10, so there is no doubt about it. Then mode will be is repeating data, that also you have to put one more 10, but where we want to replace, we can put one more 10 or two more 10, that is our choice. Okay, I can put two more 10 here. 30 overall we got, still we need 20 is the data to get back, because some of the value 50 I told. Is it correct? So range is the sense largest observation minus smallest observation, the range in the sense. So the largest data will be here, we are going to take something, here something I take. So but that also want to get 10 here. So range want to get 10 mean, so definitely I can take the large data by 15, here will be as 5. 15 minus 10 will be 10. Okay, not only this is the one of the possible set, we can go with another way. See, instead of this, so alternate, this is the right solution. Alternatively, so middle data definitely will be 10, so that is fixed. Other things we can modify. Suppose only one, then another 10 if I am taking means, so we can modify with some other possibilities. Very clearly told you, difference will be also 10, 16 and 10, 6 I am taking means range also will be 10. So remaining two data we can take, still we need, I thought 18 we need, okay, I can put 8 and 10. So this is also possible. One more chance is there, 4, 10, 10, 12, 14. So these are all the possibilities we have. So I hope you understand. Thank you. We'll move on with the 15th question. Okay, so it is that single transformations, the map triangle T onto triangle A. See the rotations, how it has happened by the T triangle rotated as A, so single rotations. Okay, so this single rotations converting as triangle A by the rotations clockwise, then 90 degree. So where is, while seeing itself we can find by the central angle. So center axis we have to find, it must be maintained, the center axis will be the equidistance. So from here to here, here it is maintaining equal distance from here. So this is center axis. You can use a trace paper to find answers. So it is a rotation 90 degree in clockwise about the center axis about 4,3. Okay, so fine. Use a trace paper to find accurate result. Okay, moving forward with question number 16. A student measures the height at centimeter of each of the 400 plants. The humidity frequency diagram shows the result. So here the picture will be given. Humidity frequencies used to find the median in the quartile, particular percentile values has to be calculated. So use the diagram to find the estimate for. Look at here, the first one, the median, the humidity frequencies, it has been given. Overall will be 400. So median you want. So median means half of the data. So middle most data. What is the middle most data here? For 400 means middle is 200. Is it correct? So for the 200 you have to draw perfect line towards 200, where it will be is there 200 towards among this one. You have to be correctly, you have to draw the line which must be so with the help of scale you have to draw perfectly. Surely you will be getting as perfectly you have to draw. Okay, otherwise you will get with the help of scale you have to draw. It is touching by the 30. So the median is 30 centimeter. The interquartile range. Interquartile in the sense, you know that difference between the upper quartile and then So lower quartile, which means that 75 percentile minus 25th percentile. So first that have to be calculate. So then only you can go with interquartile range, that is Q3 minus Q1. Q1 is called the lower quartile, which is 25th percentile. Okay, 25th percentile, which means 25 percentage of the total frequency, cumulative frequency. 25 percentage of 400 is here, is what we have to calculate. So 25 percentage, so I thought it will be 100, is it correct? Okay, the 100, take a sketch from the 100. Look at here also the many of the people will be getting struggle to find the 100. So 0, 40, 80. So between of 80 to 120 there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sublines are there, which mean that is 40 by 5 you are dividing, so you'll be getting 8. So each sublines are 8, so that you have to take an as 100. So one line will be 8 unit I told. So then 80, then 88, 96, 100 mean between of third and fourth line, second and third line you have to put. You will be getting the accurate value here. So I'm roughly putting, but you have to take properly here. Then another one, it is upper quartile, so 75 percentage. So 75 percentage you must has to be taken, that is 300. So that also has to be taken properly. So I'm roughly doing, you have to take a calculator perfectly, you will be get the result accurately. I'm not taking see, okay, this is, so here I hope you understand, this will be 37, this will be 17. So interquartile will be equal to Q3 minus Q1, 37 minus 17 is 20. Then 80th percentile, they are asking 80 percentage. 80 percentage of 400 is 80 percentage of 400, 80 by 100 into 400, that is 320. You have to connect from the 320, you will be getting as, from the 320 if you are connecting, which is very closer, before that 40 will be coming from here, that 39 centimeter. Here you have to put 39 centimeter. The number of plant with the height greater than 60. Look at here, greater than 60 in the sense will be, look at here, the greater than 60 will be, this is the above region, these are all the regions, is it correct? Which means this will be as, which regions is coming here, this touching point will be as here, yeah, it is from the 362. So from the 400 minus 362 you have to take, you will get 400 minus 362, you will be getting 38. So 38 number of plants with a height greater than 60 centimeter. So I hope it is very easy to understand the cumulative frequency concept. Yeah, fine. So now moving forward with the next one, question number 17. Question number 17, it was given as you have to complete the histogram picture. But histogram pictures, if you want to do what is required, you have to be find the frequency density. Frequency density, when we know only, it is easier to complete the histogram. So already given one of the set of the data for the picture will be how to calculate frequency density. First I will be telling you the frequency density, which is equal to frequency by class interval, that is class width. For first one, see, look at here, the class width, how to calculate from upper limit minus lower limit. 20 minus 0 is 20, from which is 120 by 20, you will be getting 6. That's what they drawn the first one, limit 0 to 20. Then 20 to 30, that also has to be calculated. Second one, that is 80 by 10, it is 8. Then 124 by 10, 12.4. Then at last 76 by 40. So 76 by 40 you have to take. So you'll be getting very close together of 1.9 something. Okay. So now we have to continue the representations and the information in the histogram. Look at here the next interval 20 to 30. 20 to 30 you have to take the values 8. So from here 8 you have to take 20 to 30. Not this one. 20 to 30 have to take like this. Then followed by 30 to 40 will be as 30 to 40 12.4. So 12.4 you have to take various color will be taken for better understanding. So here also carefully you have to do 12.4. Then we have 40 to 80 will be as 1.9. 1.9 in the sense it is coming here. So draw properly with the help of scale pencil. I hope you all understand very clearly. Moving forward with the question number 17. Okay, the diagram shows a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. So BD and AC intersect at AX. So angle BAD equal to 74 degree and angle BCA equal to 34 degree. The find angle BDA. So look at here, it's very easy to calculate this value. BDA. So BDA. So angle in the same segment always equal. Look at here, this one the chord AB. So the same segment we can take. Look at here this also, which means this angle 34 mean we need angle BDA only this one, so that also 34. So angle BCA we need BCA. Look at here BCA in the sense BCA. I will be removing that old part. Then only you'll get the clarity is BCA. So we need to calculate BCD. The BDA we got 34 degree. So here BCD. So we know that in cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles will sum up will get 180 degrees. So but we have A and C only we need here. So the opposite angles will always create add up will getting us 180 degree. So from we need the whole C alone. So 180 minus 74. 180 minus 74 we will be getting as 106 degrees. That is our answers here. Then angle ABD. So ABD. So we have ABD. So recently we found the value of D will be 34. This will be 74. We need this one only. So which means 74 plus 34 is 108. It has to be subtract from the 180. You'll be getting 72 degree. That is angle ABD. So that's it. Very simple. So in the diagram ADX. So ADX is similar to triangle BCX. BC equal 4.5 and AD equal to 9. They are given. So AD is a 9. And then BC which is 4.5, then AD equal to 9 they are given. CX will be given as 3.3, will be work out XD they are asking. Okay, so this region they are asking. Okay, so it is very simple. Scale factors must be required. So the scale factor can take either 9 by 4.5, which is equal twice of the time, which I mean 3.3 will be double it, you will be getting 6.6. So xd is equal to 6.6 centimeter. Moving forward with question number 18 from the functions lesson. So functions f of x equal to, they are given 3 minus 2x, g of x equal to 2x plus 3 and h of x equal to 2 power x. Find the value of f of minus 3. Directly you have to put the value f of minus 3. So I'll be little enlarging here. F of minus 3 equal to 3 minus 2 of minus 3, which is equal to 3 plus 6, that is 9. So directly getting g f of minus 3. First you have to find g f of x. G f of x will be, substitute will be as 2 of 3 minus 2x plus 3. Then here again has to be simplified. G f of minus 3, which will be as here very simple to calculate. So 6 minus 4 of minus 3 plus 3 will be getting as 6 plus 12 plus 3, that is 21. Then f inverse mean you have to change it y to x, x to y. So that y equal to 3 minus 2x, then x equal to 3 minus 2y. You want y alone, that is 3 minus x by 2. So f inverse of x equal to 3 minus x by 2. Then find x when g of x equal to 7. Very simple, 2 times of 2x plus 3 which is 4x plus 6 plus 3. So here it was given, so 7 equal to 4x plus 9, then x equal to minus 1 by 2. H inverse of x will be equal to 5. So very simple to calculate H. So we are not having directly here H inverse is quite difficult to take. So okay, H of H inverse x equal to 5, H of 5. Then x equal to 2 power 5, which is equal to 32. So we can directly take. Moving forward with question number 19. Simplify root 32 plus root 98 is directly has to be simplified. So root 32 we can write as 4 root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 98 we can write as 49 into such as 7 root 2. The same sorts we can write 11 root 2. So 11 root 2. Rationalize the denominator from the under sorts concept will be, so rationalize by taking the conjugate 1 by root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1, which mean root 2 minus 1 by a plus b and a minus b the whole square. So 2 minus 1 such as root 2 minus 1. So root 2 minus 1 is the answer. Next, coming forward with inverse proportions, they are given. Inverse proportion concept at 20, the problem y inversely proportional to 1 by root x, so y equal to 8, x equal to 4. We must calculate the constant value, so that y equal to k by root x. We can calculate first the k value. 8 equal to k by root 4, which mean k equal to 16. Then they are telling us find y when x equal to 49. So very simple, just substitute y equal to 16 by root x, mean that is 7, will be 2 by 7, that's all. So coming to the next question, it's very simple. So try to be write the answers will be in allocated region, then only it is easy, otherwise very tough for you all. So moving forward with the next one, 21st question. In this question all measurements are in a centimeter. Look at here, one will be the triangle, another will be a rectangle. The height of the triangle is h and the height of the rectangle is h plus 2. The length of the base of the triangle is x and the length of the rectangle is x plus 1. Area of triangle is 11 cm square and the area of the rectangle is 39 cm square. Write down the expression in terms of x for the height of the rectangle. Okay, you know very well. So here is area usually has to be written as the length into breadth. So the height of the triangle is height h here. Okay, the height of the rectangle is h plus 2. So very simple, they are telling us to write here. Okay, so here is length and breadth, that is height, which is equal to a. You want height alone, that is a by l. So here that is 39 by x plus 1. So that 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0. So very simple to do. Look at here, that base length and the breadth, that is x plus 1 into h plus 2. Okay, equal to area, that is 39. So here x plus 1 into the h will be here 22 by x plus 2, which is equal to how will be h will be here 22 by x. See here we have that, know that the value will be here half into base and height triangle. From here I have to take hx by 2 equal to will be 11, then x equal to 22 by x. Okay, h will be equal to 22 by x, they substituted here. Then when we simplify this one, we'll be easily getting directly cross multiply here. So 22 plus 2x, 22 by x plus 2 equal to 39. By simplifying this, both will be 2x plus 22 by x equal to 15. LCM I have to take, so 2x square plus 22 minus 15x equal to 0. That's what they are given, we proved. Okay, so by factorizing and solving 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0, find the two possible height of the triangle. So by two possible height will be, you can take from the same thing. So factorizing and solving this one. By factorizing, solving and 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0, find the two possible height of the triangle. By taking the T formations factorization method, you can very easily do. So splitting the middle term method, you can easily go. So where the 15x 2x square minus 4x minus 11x plus 22 equal to 0. So we can take 2x will be common now, 2x of x minus 2 minus 11 of x minus 2 equal to 0. From this we can get the value of x equal to 2 and x equal to 11 by 2, but we want a height. So we know that h will be equal to, already the h will be equal to 22 by x. Substitute x value will be here. When you're substituting x will be the 2 will be 1 is 11, and then when you're substituting 11 by 2 will be getting as 4. So there are two output you are getting here. Moving forward, question number 22, find the exact value of x. Yeah, exact value of x, you must be very the 25 onwards will be coming exact value. You must be know about the particular, the known value of the trigonometric table 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree angles. You must be keep it in your mind. So we need to calculate this regions. You look at here A, B, we have a right angle triangle. So we need to calculate hypotenuse here. We can apply here cos theta. So cos 30 equal to adjacent by hypotenuse will be 8 by x. So cos 30 it is always will be here is cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 equal to 8 by x. So x equal to 16 by root 3. I thought you can stop from here itself. The root 3 value is 1.732. That no need to apply because it's a non-calculated paper. Keep the answer will be 16 by root 3. So write as single fractions in its simplest form, 3 by x minus 4 minus 4 by x plus 3. So we have to simplify. Is normal normally how you'll be doing for that simplification of fractions. That same button has to be applied here. So cross multiply, you can do 3 times of x plus 3 minus 4 times of x minus 4 upon x minus 4 into x plus 3. When you multiply, you'll be numerator 3x plus 9 minus 4x plus 16 by x minus 4 into x plus 3. So then when you simplify, you'll be getting as 25 minus x by x minus 4 x plus 3. So that's all we have. This is our answer. You can write here. Then moving forward with the next one, write x square minus 4x plus 7 in the form of x minus a the whole square plus b. It seems look like in the completing square pattern in the quadratic equations and all you studied, no quadratic expressions you have to write in the formation of completing square method. It's very simple to write. What was the coefficient of x will be, you have to divide it by half and square it on both sides, add and subtract. So minus 4 divided by 2 you'll be getting as minus 2. Minus 2 if you are squaring you'll get plus 4. So plus 4 you have to add and subtract from here and there. So very simple to calculate. X square minus 4x plus 4 and minus 4 add and subtract. It will not affect the given equation. So look at here this term alone, x square minus 4x plus 4, it seems look like a minus b the whole square, then minus 4 plus 3 is 7. So you'll be getting as x minus 2 the whole square plus 3. Okay, from the scenario, a will be here 2, b will be as 3. Write down the coordinates of the turning point of the graph y equal to x square minus 4x plus 7. It is a quadratic, so that will be, the curve will be coming as x square coefficient has to be checked whether it is positive or negative. X square coefficient is positive, so it is upper parabola will be coming like this. So very clear it is when they make it as x value will be when it is 0. So if you are putting 2 only, will be getting 0. So 1 point will be 2 mean 2 minus 2 is 0. That is another one is 3. Sorry, not 2. Will be apply 2 only, will be getting as 0. So 2 and 3. Okay. So very simple. Moving forward with 25th question. The two shapes are mathematically similar. So when it's similar object, it is area. We have studied 3 patterns, area pattern and volume also is there, normal expansion also is there, enlargement. It is very simple. It's area based concept. So that object enlarged by the 9 centimeter, one heart is big heart and small heart they are given. So very simple. That unknown part has to be taken as the numerator part. It is quite easy to understand. X by 9, whose area, the smaller object area will be here given as 25. Then bigger value will be 36. So it is area means square root you have to put. So then x by 9 which is equal to 5 by 6, which is equal to x equal to 9 into 5 by 6. 2, 3. I thought 15 by 2. So x equal to 15 by 2. So very simple. So moving forward with the next question, the last question. We have 3 categories, subdivision A, B, C. On the diagram, sketch the graph of y equal to f of x for minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Okay, it is a cubic functions. So cubic functions curve you will be know very well how it will be coming. So it is going to intersect at that axis will be in particular ranges will be in x-axis going to intersect by the 3 point. So that 3 point we need. Similarly, the x cube value will be the positive only. It will be coming. The curve will be very simple. Then also with the functions will be x of x plus 2, x minus 3. Quite very simple to identify here. Substitute the value will be each category. The when it is 0, 1 will be x equal to 0. I can put. So this will be the 0. Plus 2 mean I can put minus 2. So I can take this will be minus 2. Minus 2 will be the 0. Another one will be is plus 3, 1 and 2, 3. So this will be the plus 3, 0. We have to draw the curve. It will be a positive x cube, so that it will coming like this. Okay, so I drawn roughly. You have to draw perfectly with the help of. So I thought you will be getting clarity here. Okay, fine. So now we are drawing here. Then expand and simplify is very simple. Just you have to multiply x square plus 2x. Again has to be multiplied with x minus 3. You will be getting as x cube minus x square minus 6x, directly written. Okay, this is what we got, that cubic function. A is the point 1 comma minus 6. The tangent to the graph of y equal to f of x at A meets the y-axis at B. Find the coordinates at B. Look at here, 1 comma minus 6 in the sense, roughly I can take minus 6 in the sense, here will be the tangent somewhere it will meet here. So here f of x will be given as we recently found the function x cube minus x square minus 6x. We need to find the coordinates of the b. So we have to calculate the first order derivative of the function 3x square minus 2x minus 6. From the scenario we have to the point will be here will be is 1 comma minus 6. Substitute x value will be 1 here. What you are getting? We are substituting the first order value of, we are getting minus 5. That is gradient you got. So gradient you are getting minus 5. You know that straight line equation y equal to mx plus c. That is y equal to minus 5x plus c. We need to find the c value. Okay, so we need to find the c value here. So apply the x value will be 1 here. You will be getting 1 mean. I thought what was the y value here? Y value will be minus 6. Okay, minus 6 equal to minus 5 of 1 plus c. C value we are getting as minus 1. Okay, the x value here, see that the b, the point appears y intercept. So that x value will be here 0. When x value will be putting 0, mean y value will be minus 1. So y equal to minus 5x minus 1 is the equation. X value if you are putting 0 mean y value will be getting minus 1. So that's all we have. So almost we discussed everything. In the blank page you can use for a rough column each and every problem whatever you want. So hope you will be seeing remaining the paper 4 specimen copy of the 25 will be uploaded very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.